Hi, welcome back. Day 3. Behave like a millionaire inner excellence course. I am Mukundan, your business transformation coach and change in you chief trainer. So, already 2 days we have discussed about clarity and finding your core values. So, I hope so you are all find your core values. I am again says if you have any problems to find your core values, please call me and we will discuss to find your core values. Because don't choose your core values, find and decide what it is with your actions and successful run of life. So please choose your core values through our list, that is find your core values. Then day 2 we are going to discuss about energy. It's very important to do anything. So today we are going to discuss about a necessity. The necessity when the need for something becomes essential. You are forced to find ways of getting or achieving it. So that is the important. So what you want to achieve, what you want to do something in life or business. If you need success, you need the force behind you. That's the necessity. If something requirements, some demands only create the market for the sales. That's the basic thing in the marketing. So the same way in life or business, we need some requirements to force us to achieve the targets. So that's the necessity. So what are the things to find that is rise the necessity, how to rise the necessity, what are the things to do rise the necessity is one is two things that is rise the necessity. One is internal standards and another one is external demands. I'm already told that the demand will be create the market. So your internal standards and external demands will rise the necessity. That necessity will move you to success. So that's the main thing. Here we are going to discuss about the internal standards. What are the internal standards? Identity, beliefs, values, and expectations. Here identity means, what is the identity? We are all know the ID card that will denote who are you. So where you are working, there's some identification given to you. That is the identity. The identity is so important. The opportunities will create and so the identity will make you to identify in the crowd your picture, what you are, what you are going to do, what is your values, what is your strength, that will create the identity of yours. So that identity create the necessity. For that identity you are working it. And then beliefs. We have a lot of beliefs within you. So our beliefs will fueled us to create the necessity. Beliefs means You should have the beliefs on God, beliefs on some rituals, and whatever it is you are, what you are think it's available or not, but you know you should have the value for such things. That's the beliefs. So your beliefs will be raise the necessity for your success. And another one is values. The identity also based on the values. So what are the values you have? How the values, that's the values means you are the millionaire, you are the business owner, you are the good man, you are the father. Those who are having some values for the believers. So that's the values raise the necessity, and it's move forward you to success. And then expectations. Our expectations lot, we should succeed such things. We need some excellence, we need some products. So like that we need, we have the expectation this thing happen like this. So that expectation will drive you. So that's the main thing. The four things to drive your internal standards, that will drive your necessity. That necessity will move you to succeed. The another important one in the necessity is external demands. So internal standards will create as to move forward. The actually it's create in inner values and inner generation, generating the energy to move for the success. So that's the internal standards. And then next one is external demands. The external demands will compel you to move forward. The demands are social obligations. So we have some social obligation, we will do such things, compulsorily do such things, so that we get the good respect through on the social obligations. So we have to do something for that. So that's the social obligations will create the necessity. The same way competition, it's a very important one in the life or business. The competition is very, very important one, because without competition we are not able to do the business. We are not get the values for our product or services. Whenever the competition arises, your products will be get the value, right value. If you have the only one shop in some area, you are having very nominal business. If you are going to get that competitor on that same area, at that time you have to improve your shops, interiors, shops, products, shelving, and then you are given some offers to the customers. These are all the things will develop your business. Without competition, you are not able to, you are not ready to do such things. And then moreover, the competition will be penetrate the market. It will expand the market. Actually, in the area, there is some people in a niche area, there is some people, more than 50,000 people live on that area. You have the shop. What you are going to do? You are servicing maximum of 1,000 people on that area. But there is an 50,000 people. You are not able to get all of the people as your customer. You are not able to service all of them. So what you are going to do, only at the maximum of 1,000 people as your customers. More than that you are not able to do, but most of the people not identifying you. So if there is a competitor, the another one shop is open in your area, at the time the peoples are come together, the market will be expanded, then customer flow is raised, and then your customer base also expanded. So that's the very important thing. Competition is a very necessary thing to raise your necessity and move you to success. That's the main thing. And then public commitments. It's also like social obligations. We are going to give some commitments in the public. We are going to service something for the public. So at that time it will create the necessity and make us to succeed. The final one is deadlines. The competition and deadlines is very important in life or business. Without deadline, we are not doing anything. If you are going to do, okay, sir, you've done these things at your take your own time. If you say like that, the people they will not do the work in the fitting manner. They just like that put aside the work and then they are doing some other work. So whenever it is possible, they are doing this assigned work. So the delayed work will be give the loss or some unwanted situation, arise the unwanted situation in the business or life. So you need deadlines for every work, because without deadline you are unable to do anything. If you fix the deadline, if you want to reach this, if you are the athlete, if you must reach that 1,000 meters within the span time, so then only you are the winner. There is a restriction, so everybody is run through for that finish line. Like that, in the business or life, you need the deadlines. You have to finish such works within the span time, then only you will get the success. Actually, there rise the necessity for exceptional performance. Without necessity, we are not doing anything. Necessity not arised, we are not doing anything. We are just like that, relaxed and then doing something what we want and then relaxed. So there is necessity arise. You have to do such things immediately. You have to do such things. You need bread and tea for your survival. You should do the such things. Like that, necessity will be keep moving, make you to keep moving. So that's the important one. This actively tapping into the reasons you absolutely must perform well. So that's the main thing. You are able to perform well if the only necessity arises. So you should always try to raise the necessities, then do the things perfectly. Thank you all. This is first session in day 3, and then we will meet on another session. We will discuss on that. That is increase productivity. Bye bye.